Playing some Popo Shotgun Red. Got Fragrant Shore here. I have been having a hard time making this video. This gun doesn't feel very good. Often taking 4 shots to kill. Well, I think no matter what it takes 4 shots to kill if they have a high enough health chip.
I expected more.
And considering I think the primary slot health chips are used on is gold, at least as far as I can tell. I could be wrong about that. That's primarily what I use it on, gold and blue. But yeah,
That's for me.
I personally feel like this gun is pretty weak. It feels like it's not killing very quickly at all. But I have actually been having some good fun with it. Ooh, a change purse. I'll die for that.
Has my name on it.
Been getting some pretty bad luck running it, but that's fine. Can't all have lucky days.
There's security.
Let's get into this green and get our 2 Gs. Give me a gold, please. That's not a gold. That's a green key card, which I won't need really after leaving this place. What am I saying? Green key cards get me out of a lot of sticky situations. I've died on multiple occasions because I don't have a green key card, actually. Well, let's go into A then. Thank you.
Thank you. Next.
See if I'm the first one here or not. Got here somewhat slow, so I wouldn't be surprised if I'm not.
Vault terminal located.
Oh, hello there.
It is all yours.
Can I have your outfit? Thank you.
Security.
Gold cover accelerator here. Running the exact same chipset that I ran for the Cavalier video. Because
Finish already.
if I can get my cover back, my passive will give me damage reduction. And that's fairly strong, so if I can get my cover back more, I'll get damage reduction more, and yeah, that's the whole premise. Also running the healing expertise. That gives me cover back.
Guards? They're a joke.
I'll head towards B now. Ooh, look, a VIP. That window up there is open. I could bounce Matt up, but I don't think I'm going to. I am going to here, though. Get up here a little bit faster. Thank you for the door. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that. There's like construction going on outside or something.
You have wasted your time. There is no vault terminal here.
I wouldn't say it was a waste of time. I get my purple out of it.
Oh, what a glow up.
I really need to look
I
out for hack
hate
traps more
waiting.
often. Is this one hack trapped? No. No, it's not.
Easy.
No key cards yet is very sad, but wouldn't be the first time that I've went to the vault without keycards, and it definitely won't be the last. Already full on ammo. Oh, let's see about hitting up D then. Oh, if I would have noticed this too, I wouldn't have picked up that one. Is D hack trapped? Haven't seen a hack trap go off on it yet. It wasn't. Very good. Go ahead and get into this purple.
Better luck elsewhere. Vault terminal here.
Nice.
Everyone falls for it. No door can resist me.
Well, let's fill up my intel and sit here and heal. No, sit down. Didn't mean to press the button. Wonder why that's still open. Go ahead and leave. Keep
Others
leaving.
seem to be doing your job for you. A vault terminal was deactivated.
Cool, let's head towards C and the vault.
Vault open.
This isn't a player, is it? No, surely not. Oh no. Bombs! I had to pick him up. I'm contractually obligated to do it. Hopefully none of these are players. Surely not. They would have already shot me by now, right?
I can't. This needs to end.
Lots of threes up here, that's good. That'll push me at my max. And I'm a full loadout after picking up this gold card, so I'll be able to run straight to the vault. Lots of early printers this time. There's a purple character.
Ugh, lame.
Oh, I was trying to pick up that healing vial, but I was full and I accidentally sat down instead. So now I just look like a fool. Nope, let's get this. This is a bad spot for shotgun red. All that space up there.
Oh, Mama.
Initializing rival agent detection
Hey.
mode.
I'm not
Rival
One of them's,
agent detection mode engaged.
red, and one of them has a cape, but I don't know who it is who has the cape.
Got it. Better be worth it.
Rival
He
agent
just meleeed
detection
somebody.
mode started.
You don't look too bad, do you?
Rival agent detection mode engaged. Intel depleting rapidly.
Well, I don't see him. I'm just gonna run. Oh, they broke my cover. And I got it back.
Intel running low.
They'll get a surprise.
down.
More.
Alright. I'm just gonna run. Place that. I've got 1 intel remaining.
Running low on intel.
Oh god. Bounce pad away for now. Keep running. Got my cover back. Got my cover back. Eat that.
Extraction vehicle on standby. Make haste cautiously. Intel running low.
Okay. They're not following? Oh, but he is. He took the package from me, I assume? Yeah, he did. That's okay. Just sit here for now? He's running, that makes sense. Sit here to heal. Pick up that intel. And that intel. Okay, he's going way over. Or not.
Thank you. Next.
Let's just build him intel for now. Don't want to get too far away from the one that's already been called, because he can just go back to it at any time, like he is now. Get my cover back. Very good. Jump up here. Place that there.
They'll get a surprise.
That there.
Don't cry. There's always next time. Must be close by.
That's it. Very nice. I was right to stay around the point. I had been tricked like that already today. And with a shotgun, getting further away is just bad for me.
Different. That's for sure.
That was a good game. 3 eliminations is nice. I was able to get some good third parties, which feel really good with this shotgun, so I don't feel bad about it. Nice game. Let's hope I can get a second one. Continuing on Silver Reef. Oh, you can spawn behind this? I would assume this is one of those locations that you're not allowed to go behind unless you're green. Suppose not, though.
There's security. What security? Done. Does it come in red?
The little dog is barking a lot.
They can touch,
Whoops.
but they won't see.
Well, that kind of ruins everything.
All right, let's find an unsuspecting prey.
Get these
Can't believe I'm losing
threes.
time here.
Well, get this 1-3 and then go ahead and get my green.
Boosting perfection.
And get this other 3. Oh, walked away too soon. Alright, let's gamble.
Open sesame.
Critical.
There we go.
There's always next time. Can't believe I'm losing time here.
Kinda thought that was a player, that's why I went up so close to him. Take your blue outfit.
Muscles can't stop class.
Let's get in here.
No door can resist me. That was... security.
Got them.
Congratulations. You have found a vault terminal.
Get my cover accelerator back. Or get it now, not back. I haven't had it this game so far.
Vault terminal deactivated. Keep up the good work.
It'd be nice to get a blue here. So let's do it. And I already got rid of the madam first thing, so... Wow, so much ammo. Hey, and there's max intel for me. I'll head over to D now. I was a little suspicious of that person, but I'm going to D. I think I can run. Especially if I head over here. Already got me a blue key card, so that's good. Let's get into here.
Vault terminal located.
I can't. This needs to end.
Get my cover back. This is the vault terminal, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Crouch down because I heard the door open or close or something. Well, I had to have opened if it closed, so... Probably both.
You were born to deactivate vault terminals.
Jump down right here.
It's not you.
Nice!
It's me.
Didn't expect to jump down onto another player, but
Not bad. I just...
it was another red.
Away.
There we go. Quick little Silver Reef game with 3 eliminations. Not quite level 370 yet. Nice. That was a good game. I do not like her shotgun, though.